from where the biggest production of charging complexes in Ukraine begins? From the big idea, drawings of charging docks and prototypes. The production uses only high-quality steel. The powerful laser cuts all components with pinpoint precision. Due to the shop hand lapping and prime coating, the body surface becomes smooth-faced and offers anti-corrosion and adhesive properties. The final stage is the electric painting of the whole assembly. The dock body and its inner power components assembling is carried out by employees which works in sync with one another. Charging complex is ready for full-featured installation, past power testing on the equipment designed by the Auto Enterprise company specialists. Software products are incompatible to any other products on the market due to experience and professional work of the IT department. From back end to front end, we have been already in the future. Join us.